Breakup. It's a word no one wants to say out loud, yet sometimes it becomes the only path forward. Relationships are meant to bring joy, not feel like the stress of chasing a year-end deadline. But how do you know when it's time to let go? This isn't something to decide on impulse. It's a moment to get honest with yourself and ask some tough but necessary questions. Are you truly happy? Of course, no relationship is perfect, but if you're constantly feeling drained, disconnected, or fantasizing about disappearing, something's off. A healthy relationship should feel like coming home, not something you try to escape. Are both of you still trying? Love takes effort from both sides. If you're the only one working while the other drifts along, that's not love. That's emotional burnout. Are you still yourself? Growth is good, but if you've lost your identity trying to please someone else, it's gone too far. Real love allows you to be your authentic self. Do your conflicts ever get resolved? Fights happen, but when every disagreement turns into a cycle of silence, pain, or endless drama, it's a sign of deeper incompatibility. Are you staying for love or out of fear? Fear of loneliness or change isn't a strong enough reason to stay. Sometimes letting go isn't giving up. It's the first real step towards something better.